Doon mo kayo mag-expect agad ng bonggang-bongga. Hi, I'm Marsh, and this is vlog number 1. We're having sinigang for today. Hindi ako yung nagluto, so reaction video sa sinigang na hindi ko niluto. So, muna natin ng gulay. Black pepper. And we'll put on some patis with sile. Hindi pa yan. Yan. What? Kain tayo. Hindi siya malapot na sinigang. Pero, perfect yung asim niya. It's giving, asim kilig. Subo, just with the sabaw and some spinach. Dahil walang kangkong dito. Oh my god, guys. It's so sarap. Masarap siya. So, thank you dun sa friend ko na gumawa ng sinigang. Like, should I make it into a series? Parang making Filipino food na kinakrave ko. Sarap. Nag-carry siya. Tataba nung talo. So good. Pero ano yun? It's like we're just having a very casual conversation. Oh my gosh. Talong. Very dax. So good. Kailangan mo ng rice to buffer. Pero, sarap. In one shot. As much as possible. Kasi, again, sarap. Ay, mailuwa ko ulit para sa take, diba? Oh. Ang sarap. Ang sarap mo, Pia. Char. Yeah. So good. Sabihin na like, obviously, I'm not a really good, hindi ako magaling na public speaker. And I want to gain confidence in speaking. I think vlogging is a good way to start that. I want a way to document my life. Document my life. Documentary. Alright. My life is here sa UK. It's not all pasarap. Like, I know masarap yung sinigang, pero it's not all pasarap. Ayun lang. There's always a part of us na that fantasizes about what would happen if my life was like this. So, yeah, I think have more freedom. Ayun, hopefully you guys enjoy listening to it. Oh, well, I finished this. I don't know the name for the series yet. I don't have like a digital creator name yet. Pero, yeah. See you on my next vlog. Bye. Or, wala pang 5 minutes. Ano ito eh? Minute nila. So, wala pa na-start yun.